Welcome back. I'm still in the Cincinnati area. I just arrived at Westchester Antique Center. Let's go in and see what they got. This is one of those places you definitely need a basket. Well, the first thing I notice is this Pluto. How fantastic is that? It's a wind-up toy. It's got the key and everything. Awesome bicycle. Look at this little dog. $10. Oh, Blue Mountain Pottery. That's a fun one. All right. I love this booth. They usually have some really good stuff hiding in here. This is actually where I got the infamous giant fork. Those flowers are pretty awesome. 60 on those. Oh, I love the crewel. That's so happy. And then here, they always have a nice selection of Czech glass and pottery. That red one's pretty epic. These lamps are kind of wild. It's actually this sign that I think is so neat. The advertising sign. Gosh, is this Karak? Look at this. That's so cool. It is Karak. I've never seen one like that with the cats and the inlaid wood. That's wild. What is this face? Hager, 18. Not exactly what I thought. I love the ashtray with the flamingos on it. Gosh, that's only $7. That's a great deal. Yeah, that's awesome. And then the Blendo jars, really neat. Love the colorway. The jars are like my favorite. I just had a couple. Oh, but look at this soldier. No, it's a chef. The chef bar nutcracker. That's so fun. What is this brooch? That's really different. I love this booth because you never know what you're gonna find in here. Some really great ephemera too. I don't really do a lot of ephemera, but I appreciate it for sure. What is this hiding in here? It almost looks like it could be Italian. It is Italian. How fun is that? $10. It's missing its lid, but that's a nice one. Oh man, I love this Fenton candy dish. That's so great. That's Uranium too. Here we are. Love this booth so much. This vendor's so nice. Well, the first thing I see is obviously the bittersweet compote. $55. That's a great deal. Let's see. Oh, fun owl. The dog is pretty great too. I'm gonna put my basket down, get comfortable. All kinds of vases up here. Kind of like this one. Almost looks Turkish. And the cat shelf. Well, cats and poodles. All the necessities. This is the best. Look at this one. Arnart cat, $20. She's fantastic. And it's amazing. The flowers aren't all chipped up. They usually are. Oh, wow. I just turned around. There's a whole ton of uranium here. That's a cute booth. I don't remember this being here. I don't remember this booth either. Well, definitely what stands out to me is this cat. Check this guy out. I've never seen this one before. I love the shape of that. Japan, $18. Oh, he's fantastic. That has to come with me. And who makes these glass owls? Sasky glass. Those are neat. They kind of look like Blenko. Really nice little purple Empoli. It's got the lid, which is great. $40 on that. Some more little cats. What are these? Norcrest. Joseph Originals, $25. Oh, and the hot air balloon mug. That's a good one. Oddities, $12. That's actually a really good deal. Those usually sell for like $22 for me. I've had it a couple times, so I'm gonna leave it behind. Some great Miller Studios chalkware, especially like the frogs. Those are only $35 for the pair. Oh, cute little assemblage. However, I have to say what they have is the fusion paint. If you're painting furniture, I recommend fusion paint. It's amazing. And then down here, the Santa planter. $13, what? That's a crazy deal. Oh, it's got a little hairline, that's why. Still, if you were gonna make assemblages or just wanted it for display, that's the move. She's fantastic with her mink. Really nice milk glass swung here. 55 on that. Oh my God, I'm dead. Oh, I love you so much. $45. Norcrest. I think we can do that. It's pretty awesome. I've never seen this version this big. He's pretty awesome. I think he needs to come live with me. Oh man, look at this booth. So many great Christmas ornaments. I love this angel. She's fantastic. $9 on her. And you know, these are fantastic, even though they're reproduction. I think they're so fun. $15 each. See, that's a good deal. So cute. And then, oh, I've never seen one this size. He's fantastic. He's only $30. That's so great. And this owl is speaking to me. 25 on him. Kamar, no wonder. I feel like I picked him up before. Oh, I love this styrofoam head Santa Claus. He's in great condition. That's an insane find. 25. I'm not messing with styrofoam for resale. There's too much room for error, but if that was for me, I'd be pretty excited to find that. You guys, this booth is so much fun. Look at this pendant. That's different. I could go through this. It's really well displayed, I have to say. Look at this little weird head thing. That's amazing. I've pulled some really neat stuff. Aggressive panda necklace. It's hilarious. Yeah, I love how coordinated it is. But they have great like trinkets and stuff, not just jewelry. And then you have the silver and blue table. These are fun. Oh, look at the little glasses. Metal enamel. Gotta really focus in this booth. I like this. All right, I got my pile started. Little cranberry. Missing the lid. And I think this is gonna be Eckholt over here. This is so pretty. Yeah, Eckholt. Oh my gosh, this Santa Claus. Oh, that makes you laugh. Whoa, look at the butterfly. This thing is wild. It's super heavy. It's a candle holder. Fenton. I think that says $80. Really pretty. And old Jack in the Pulpit. Like the candy jar. And then here, Viking Bud Vase, 32. That's not bad. Gosh. I think it's been a while since I've been here, actually. I don't think I went here on my last trip. A lot looks different. Here we go. Lots of uranium glass, but it's actually this vase that stands out to me the most. That's really pretty with the hand painting. Let's see what they have on that. 35. Wow, that's a crazy deal. And then this I think is Ellie Smith. Another Pluto. That's an awesome plush. Oh man, look at the hairdryer. That's wild. I actually have a chair like that in pink. That checks out for me. This is another booth where you never know what you're gonna find in here. Like the frog. This paperweight's kind of different. It almost looks like, I'm not sure about that. It almost looks like Swarovski or something. It's probably an import, but, oh, and then this thing's still here. This thing's so cool. Lots of color going on here. Ooh, like the elf planner and these like bohemian vases. What else do they have in here? The cats, those are so funny. Oh my gosh, this owl. Dude, this thing needs a home. Bad. How great is that? This is different. Oh gosh. It's like a paperweight. Oh, Blenko, there you go. That's cool. This booth is always so nice. Some interesting pieces in here. The dog back there is kind of neat. I think that's an import. The cats, what's this cat? Oh, it's a resin. Oh, that's funny. Blenko tangerine water bottle. What's the price on that one? $72. And then I see a little bittersweet bowl. $65 on that one. I actually really like this rainbow paperweight. Occult? I would not have expected that. Huh. I've never seen an iridescent occult like that. That's really different. I love the weird bean shape too. A curio cabinet, all of uranium. Let's see. Does this open by itself? I don't know if it does. It might be locked. Can't tell. What do they have on that base? 50 on that. Love the coin dot. The kinetic piece is awesome. Let's see what it says there. 109. So fun. What's this dog back here? He almost looks Italian. He's Portuguese. Close. I remember this case. I got something really awesome from this case last time. I got that mad art glass paperweight here. Now, I'm obsessed with this giant Burmese vase. Let's see. $225 on that. Really nice paperweights. That one's really crazy on the pedestal there. I wonder if that... Oh, gosh. Oh, it's that... That's so funny. That got me last time. The snake, I thought it was going to be Orient and Flume. It's Korea. That looks like an occult perfume. Yeah, that's what I thought. I wonder if I can see the price on that. Oh, the elephants. Murano elephant. I love that in the Rainbow Millefiore. Let's see if I can get under there and see some of the tags. Okay, well, I'm reporting back. I can't see the elephant tag, but I'm here to tell you that that is, they said Baccarat spiderweb, and it's $4.75. I have very good taste. Really pretty grouping of Victorian glass in this case. Is that porcelain or glass? I think it's porcelain, yeah. Nice bride's basket down there, but this piece actually has my attention. Stevens and Williams, $200. Gosh, that is epic. Huge one. It's just crazy that the flowers and the petals aren't, and the leaves aren't all broken off. They usually are. And then this vendor, if I remember correctly, she was super nice, and I bought an awesome Tanala mug off of her. Look at the Pablo Zabar. Well, another epic cat rescued. I was trying to do the thing here. It doesn't work. My arms aren't long enough. Another great trip to Westchester Antique Center, and I'm gonna hit the road. I'll see you guys later.